Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to download or install Facebook in any iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to download or install Facebook app on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first I recommend you have to check for some settings. So you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. And after that you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So go for settings here, go to general, go to VPN and device management, and you just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you are connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back and you have to go to iPhone storage. You just have to make sure that you have almost up to 10 to 15 GB free in your iPhone storage to install and run any app smoothly. So after freeing your space, you just have to go back. I also recommend you have to try to update your software to prevent any kind of issues. Sometimes it might help that your lower softwares or lower iOS version cannot run any app very well. So you just have to try to update your software. Once you update it, go back, open your app store here, go for search and simply search for Facebook and you will get that app. So if you have already installed the app, you will get here update or the open option, or you can easily install it from here if you haven't installed the app anymore. So in this way, you can easily download or install Facebook app on your any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.